Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make canned beef stew. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need canned beef, your favorite vegetables like carrots and potatoes, and some beef broth. Make sure you have a sturdy pot, a cutting board, and a good knife. Setting up your workspace properly makes the entire cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This initial step is crucial for a successful and delicious meal. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Carefully drain the canned beef and cut any larger pieces into smaller, bite-sized chunks for easier eating. Next, chop your chosen vegetables, like carrots, potatoes, and onions, into uniform pieces so they cook evenly. Finally, measure out 4 cups of rich beef broth and 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Proper preparation ensures everything cooks perfectly. With everything prepped, it's time to cook. Begin by sautéing your onions and any harder vegetables in about 2 tablespoons of oil in your large pot until they soften. Then, add the drained canned beef, the 4 cups of beef broth, and the 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Bring this delicious mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 20 minutes, or until all your vegetables are perfectly tender. Almost done. If you prefer a thicker stew, create a slurry with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and a little water, then stir it in until the stew reaches your desired consistency. Now, season your hearty stew with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite herbs to taste. Serve this warm, comforting beef stew immediately, perhaps with some crusty bread or over a bed of fluffy rice. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.